How to fix filter lagging problem on Snapchat. So if you want to fix filter lagging problem on your Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. And if you're facing a problem of filter lagging, then the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And the second thing you need to do is open up your Play Store, go with your search and search for Snapchat. After searching for your Snapchat, if you have any updates, you need to go and update your application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat, go with your profile, which is on the top left. From the profile, go with settings, which is on the top right. And under your settings, you need to scroll all the way down. And you'll have an option of I spotted a bug or bugs and suggestions. You need to tap on it and then tap on report a bug. And from here, you need to just go with any option that you're comfortable with. In my case, it's about filters, so I'll go with the camera section. And here you need to write what happened. So Snapchat filter is not working and it's showing me lags again and again, so please help me, Snapchat team. After writing that, you can go with submit, and after submitting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.